Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another interesting story for you all. So let's start. Today we are going to listen to an interesting story on a crow. So tell me, when you all feel thirsty, what do you all drink? Yes, you all drink water. And the same way, when the crow also feels thirsty, he also drinks water. So today's story is about a clever crow who was very thirsty and he wanted to drink water. So do you know what did that clever crow did when he saw there was very less water in a pot? Yes, so we'll listen to a story. And the name of the story is The Thirsty Crow. So let's start. Once upon a time, there was a crow who lived in a forest close to a town. And the crow was flying for a long time and he was very thirsty. He flew everywhere, but he was not able to find water anywhere. So, while searching, he got very weak. Do you all know why? Yes, because he was not able to drink water for a long time. So, he didn't give up. He continued to fly and search for the water. And near a town, he saw a house, and he thought there must be water there. So the crow flew there and he saw a pot, and he got very happy that there must be water. So he flew near the pot. But do you know what happened? When he saw in the pot, he saw that there was very less water, and he got very sad. And he thought for a while that what should I do now? So while thinking, he saw around that there are pebbles. There are small stones. So he thought, he got an idea that I'll pick those stones and put in the water, and the water might come up. So the crow picked the stones and he threw it in the water. For a while, he picked the stones and put it in the water, and he saw afterwards that the water has came up, and he got very happy. Finally, the water has come up, and now I will be able to drink water. So when the water came up, the crow tried to drink water, and do you know what happened? The crow was able to drink water. So he was very happy and relaxed that finally I am able to drink water. So children, the clever crow worked hard and used his brain to drink the water. This story teaches us that we should always think for ideas and for solutions, and we should never give up when we have a trouble, when we are in a trouble. So we should always use our brain, and we should never say that now we will not be able to do anything, or we should always think for some ideas, and if we think, we will be able to come out from that problem. Okay children, thank you. I hope you all enjoyed this story session with me as much as I did. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. See you next time. Bye.